Need to remove watermarks from videos fast using just your phone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to go from this to this using a free AI tool that does it all in seconds. Before we start, my name is Mavumbi and welcome to Easy Tutorials AI. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. So are you ready to learn? I'll show you how to remove watermarks from videos fast using just your phone and a free AI tool. Let's get started.
Okay, these are the steps I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from your video. Now, first thing first, you need to go to Google and type Superwork AI. Once you're here, click this link here. It'll take you direct here. Now, if you haven't signed up, please sign up with them if you haven't got account with them. But if you already go account with them, sign up with your Gmail account. And once you're here, come here. This place is very good. They got a lot of things here. They go image to video, text to video, they go image to anime, they go a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you all this stuff later on, but today's video, our focus is to how to remove watermark from your video. Someone has been asking about to use your phone, so I'm going to show you now. So come here, AI remove. Once you here, you see here is a free AI image watermark. You can remove. It's free, by the way, and you can remove free AI video watermark remover. So we want to click this one. Once you click this one, it will take you here. Now, once you here, upload your video. You come here, you click upload your video, and let me click this video here. Okay. Once you have your video uploaded, you take you here, and this is the watermark we were going to take off. So you click the brush here, and you come and cover all the watermark you want to take off. All this watermark you want to take off, you cover up. And once you finish, click confirm. And once you finish this one, click create. And then it's going to start to take off your watermark. That's it. This is how to remove watermark from our video. Look at our video now, the watermark is gone. Okay, so this is how to remove watermark from our video. Thank you so much for coming. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mivumbi, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. Take care. Bye.